Welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you create a toilet here? So let's go ahead and put water, earth, put on top of water to create plant, and you see water again, put on top of plant to create the swamp here. So here we go. Double tap the plant here to create the Venus flytrap, and wind. Combine them both to create the dandelion, and then earth. Going to need earth to create the flower. I'm going to need earth, mud, put on top. Wind, put on top, and then get dust here. Put another plant here, dandelion. Put it on top to create weed, dust on top of weed to get clean, and now you just merge the two here and you get the toilet. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.